Hey everyone, we have another fun workout for you. It's an AMRAP for 15 minutes. AMRAP stands for as many rounds as possible, and we're going to give you 15 minutes to do it. Every round is going to comprise of 3 exercises: 10 toes to object, 10 deck squats, 10 kettlebell swings Russian style, and you're going to keep doing as many rounds as possible with one caveat or penalty, which happens every 2 minutes. You will stop wherever you are and do 3 burpees and then continue from where you left off. Your intended stimulus for today is going to be to move at a medium pace. 15 minutes for the workout is a long time, and it's not a short sprint workout, so we wanted to move at a medium pace. Take short breaks while you are changing your exercises. Use that as a break instead. Make sure it's smooth transitions in every rep. I would also suggest that you treat today's workout almost like a flow workout. Concentrate on each repetition and your form and breathing, and also keep a ear out for your coaches when they tell you every 2 minutes are up. You will be doing 3 burpees and then coming back into the workout. For your first exercise, the toes to object, you're going to be lying down on the floor with an object which is above your head on the floor. And make sure your hands are straight while you grab this object. Hopefully it's a dumbbell or something that is heavy enough that it won't move. You're going to pick your legs up and bring it all the way above your head and try and touch your toes to the object which is between your hands. The second exercise we're going to be doing is deck squats. For most of y'all who have an issue while doing this, make sure that you bring your knees all the way up to your chest and you swing your feet forward to get you momentum along with your hands. If you have an issue with the deck squat and you can't do it, then we suggest is use your hands to give you that momentum. Place your hands on the floor and push your hands onto the floor so that you can get onto your feet. The third exercise is going to be kettlebell swings Russian style, which means you're going to be swinging the kettlebell only up to your face level. If you are lucky enough to have a kettlebell, you know by now that you need to keep your feet flat on the floor and extend fully so that you are swinging the kettlebell up to your face and not using your shoulders to drive it up. If you don't have a kettlebell but are using a dumbbell, same principles apply. You can use one hand or 2 hands. Make sure it's your hamstrings and hips which are doing all the work, and that there is no pressure whatsoever on your lower back. If you have any issues about this, just show your coaches what you're doing during the reps and they will be able to help you out. So there you have it, guys. It's going to be a nice fun workout. At least the way I see it, I would be like totally zoned out for 15 minutes while doing this. Don't forget to upload your scores and have a great one, guys.